Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a DIY stunning wall art, and also I'll show you how to make a custom frame. Hello again. So today I am doing some more artwork, doing some more creative work. I like these frames. Well, I actually bought these a few months ago. Absolutely love the size of them, but they're a little bit pricey when you purchase canvases that are this tall. These are actually 36 by 48 inches height. They're 48 inches tall, and they are 36 inches wide, and I absolutely love the size. And when I found them, I purchased two of them because they were only $20 for a canvas to be this price. It's absolutely excellent price. Well, with that, because of the thickness of the actual frame, that makes it even better because it's not thin, kind of canvas. So I'm just excited. So if I sound a little bit out of breath, because I'm just excited about these, and I'm finally getting myself up to actually do this and make my artwork for I believe it's going to be my bedroom, but considering the colors I'm going to use, they can be used anywhere, as I like to do a lot of things that I do. They can be used all over the house with the color scheme that I have going on, so I try to make it where it flows throughout the entire house, and this is going to be one of those things. So I think I have in mind already exactly what I want to do with these pieces. Actual art look, whatever it is that I'm going to paint or put on it. I did play around with the thought of doing the same thing that I did before with the previous artwork with the paper that I did, because I absolutely love I do mean I actually love that piece of artwork, because when you see it, when you come into the house, and just when you're in here in the space, it's very quiet, it's very elegant. I like that it's abstract. Not only that, it has a very commanding appearance because it kind of pops off, it protrudes from the actual canvas. In other words, it's raised from the canvas, it doesn't sit flush. And then when I did the paint technique on it, layering the paint, I did leave some of the color from the paper to peek through, so it added that extra texture to it. And I really enjoy that look and that feel that it gives in the room, because it's still very elegant, because of course, she loves her gold, and I added the gold to it as well, and that added that touch of elegance that I like. So with these, as you can see here, because I like canvas art, I'm not going to say I don't like it unframed, but I like it better in my spaces when it is framed. So I'm going to do that as well. So that will be another part of the project that I'm going to complete, is add a frame around the entire thing. I am going to get started with this project. And the first thing I'm going to do, of course, is paint the actual canvas itself on my scooter. So one of my legs is on the scooter. And yeah, it just doesn't look so cute on camera, but you get the point. How tall it is, because I'm 5'3" on a good day. And today is a good day. You can see how tall it is, how high it stands. These walls in this particular home are very long. The height is the average height. The walls, with them being so long, it does give the appearance that they are higher than what they are, but they are only the average height ceiling. They're not like 10-foot high ceilings. Not ceiling. Yes, you get the point. You get the point. But we're going to get started with this art. And again, like the first thing I said I'm going to do is go ahead and peel back all of the plastic. Go ahead and paint it. Get the first layer on with just a backing color that I want with it, which is the background. And then go ahead and start with whatever process I'm going to do with it. So thank you all for joining me for this process. And let's get started. Now I'll use some painter's tape to create my grid boxes and fill the grid boxes with drywall mud, adding the raised texture to each box. After letting it air dry, I'll paint each box in a soft muted color that complements the space. After that, I'll go in with my measuring tape carefully so that I can cut the trim pieces precisely for the frame. very precise with this portion of your process if you're going to repeat this. And I use a miter box and a handsaw, which was quick and easy because the wood trim pieces that I'm using is very, very thin. It's not thick at all, and it takes literally seconds to cut through it. 45-degree angles on each one of the pieces. You always want to go in and measure before cutting. And I measured at least 3 times on each one of these pieces before cutting any of the pieces out because I did not want any mistakes. Once I was finished cutting each piece, I did a dry run to ensure that everything aligned as neatly as possible for a clean and well-polished look. Then I went in and applied some rub and buff in antique gold along each piece. If you're using this product, make sure to work it in well and also use it in a ventilated space. It has a slight smell, but it's nothing too strong. It's not very overpowering. A little bit of this product goes a long way, just so you know. I've used the same tube for multiple projects and it's still not even halfway gone. Be sure to wear gloves while applying it. And once I was done, I assembled the entire frame using some small brad nails, and just like that, it was ready to style in my space. And as always, stay inspired, motivated, and moving, creating something beautiful. If not for yourself, then definitely for someone else. This has been Chanel, and I'll see you all for the next one. Bye for now. All the pillows are linked down below as well in the description area.